Wednesday. It's Jen at Polk County Public Libraries. On Wednesdays, we do our kids program, and today we are making toy soap. So this is a STEM program, and it also comes with a take and make bag. So come pick up your bag at Columbus or Saluda Library and make some soap along with me. So I already made some soap just to make sure that this works, and it does. So that's my finished product, and I'll tell you how I made it. So in your take and make bag, you have some liquid dish soap. It is already measured out for you. It is a 1/4 cup. You have gelatin that is also already measured out. It's 7 grams. So if you're making it at home without the take and make bag, it was 1.75 teaspoons, 1 3/4 teaspoons. All right, you have a little container. So your soap and your gelatin are in smaller containers. That bigger container in your bag is what you're gonna pour your soap into. That's your mold. And you also have a little toy. So most of them are animals. There is quite a variety. If you didn't get the toy you liked, I'm sure you have another toy at home you could put in your soap. So put whatever you like in there. When you're doing this at home, you need access to water and a microwave. You need a tablespoon, and you need a bowl and a spoon. So to get started, you're going to microwave 2 tablespoons of water in a bowl for 30 seconds. So I went ahead and microwaved my water, and I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons into my bowl. All right. Then you're going to pour your gelatin into the bowl and mix it together. So this is the STEM part of our project. So when you dissolve the gelatin powder in hot water, you are breaking the weak bonds that hold the collagen proteins chains together. Each chain is a triple helix that will float around in the bowl until the gelatin cools and new bonds form between the amino acids in the protein. So we're already putting soap in there. The gelatin is what we are using to make it solid soap instead of liquid soap. So like I said, that is 7 grams of gelatin, 1 3/4 teaspoons. So that's 1 teaspoon, 1 1/2 teaspoons, 1 3/4 teaspoons. And if you got a take and make bag, yours is already measured out. I will warn you, gelatin does not smell great. Now you won't be able to smell it after your soap is done, but while you're mixing it, it doesn't have the greatest smell. So we just gave you plain liquid soap, but if you making this with your own supplies and ingredients, you could use a scented soap like lavender or any scent you want. All right, so make sure it's mixed pretty well. Like the gelatin is sticky, so you really have to scrape the bowl. All right, after you've got it mixed up pretty well, you're going to add your soap. So if you have a take and make bag, it's already measured out. If you don't, put 1/4 of liquid soap into that bowl with the gelatin and water. And mix it all together. Now, before when I made this, I think I had a spatula. Can't find it now, but if you have a spatula at home, that's what you can use to make sure you scrape every last little bit of soap out of your bowl so you don't waste any. All right, I've mixed together my water and gelatin and soap. And now I'm going to take my little container, my soap mold, and I'm going to pour my soap in there. Also want to thank my friends at Henderson County Public Libraries. They posted this video this summer, and I stole their idea, so thank you guys. This is a really fun project. All right, so there are some bubbles on top. You want to scrape those off, you can. So the top of your mold is actually going to end up being the bottom of the soap. So that's why we are going to put the toy in upside down so that it ends up on the top of your soap. So I'm going to find a toy that will fit well in this mold. I think I like this insect here. Make sure you put it in upside down. Then you're going to put the lid on, and then you're going to refrigerate it for 2 or more hours, and it will harden. And then after you wash your hands lots of times using your soap, you can get your toy back. Have fun, guys.